Hello guys, today this video we are going to talk about the essay named Making Writing Simple written by J.B. Priestley. So guys, first of all, introduction to the author. The essay Making Writing Simple has been written by John Burton Priestley. He was born at Bradford in 1894. His father was a schoolmaster. He was educated at Bradford and at Trinity Hall, Cambridge. During the First World War, he served in the army and later he became reader in a publishing firm. Here he came into the contact of leading journalists and writers of the time and he became writer. He achieved his fame through his novels like The Good Companions and Angel Pavement. He got the James Tait Black Prize for his novel. He has written many essays and literary criticism and he died in 1984. Guys, now introduction to the essay. The essay Making Writing Simple was first published in the collection Delight. The essay is a plea for simplicity in writing. The author thinks that literary writing must be intelligible to the common people. That is why Priestley says, and art to me is not synonymous with introversion because I am what is called an intellectual. Once again, art to me is not synonym with introversion because I am what is called an intellectual. The author wants to say that he does not like that there is a glass wall between him and people in the nearest factories, shops, and pubs. He prefers a wide channel of communications, and the best media in communication is simplicity in the writing. So, guys, now the theme of the essay. The theme of this essay is based on simplicity in writing. The author wants to say that if we want to communicate our ideas with the common mass, then it is quite natural that the language of writing should be very simple so that even an ordinary person can read and understand the aim of the writer or the meaning of the writer. So, this essay can be said a plea to use simplicity. The author argues that literature should be simple enough to be understood by the common man. There are some critics who prefer literature to be complex and not easy to understand. One must spend time and energy to understand a literary piece, but Priestley thinks otherwise. Even a writer must work hard in order to learn how to write simply. Most of the writers admired cleverness and solemnity. Donne and Hopkins belong to this mode of writing. The author says they could be accused not unjustly no of narrowness and arrogance, but not of insincerity. They were too much sincere in believing that the true artist must hide from the crowd behind a thicket of briars. Priestley says that personally, he is not afraid of the crowd. He says that he does not feel that there is a glass wall between him and the people in factories, shops, etc. He does not believe that his thoughts and feelings are different from theirs. He says that he wants simplicity in writing. He wants to appear simpler than he really is. He says if he is working hard, he wants to make his writing simple. To write in a simple way is not an easy task. He kept this view in his mind so long as he was working hard. This habit of simplicity has its trumps. That's why he was unable to pay a birthday tribute to C.G. Jung on the air in the short period of 13 minutes and a half. Now the next point is style of simplicity. Priestley was born and brought up in an age when the common people were gaining importance. Priestley was an intellectual who did not believe that there was any difference between him and common people. So he preferred a wide channel of communications. He wanted to write something that he could read in a bar parlor. So he aimed at simplicity and not complexity in writing. Now, the final point of this essay is conclusion. In the concluding lines, it can be said that the author is very intellectual person. He wants to adopt such a way of writing which could convince the common reader, and that is the simplicity of writing. So guys, this is the theme, style of simplicity, introduction to the essay, introduction to the author of this essay, making writing simple. Hope you will like it. Thank you.